If you have ever stared at a blank screen trying to come up with a YouTube title, you are not alone. Titles are one of the hardest parts of content creation. In this video, I am going to show you how to use OpenAI to automatically generate YouTube video titles so you never have to start from scratch again. By the end of this video, you will understand how this works conceptually and how to actually build it yourself. At a high level, we are using AI as a creative assistant. Instead of asking your brain to come up with 10 catchy titles, you describe your video in plain English and let the model suggest ideas for you. Think of OpenAI like a very fast brainstorming partner. You give it context and constraints, and it gives you options. This is not about replacing creativity. It is about removing friction. Under the hood, OpenAI models are trained on massive amounts of text. That includes articles, headlines, blog titles, and yes, YouTube styled titles. When you give it a prompt like generate 5 YouTube titles about neural networks for beginners, the model predicts what good titles usually look like based on its patterns it has learned. It is not searching the internet. It is not copying titles. It is generating new ones based on probability and language patterns. This is why the quality of your prompt matters. This is the most important part. A weak prompt looks like this. Give me YouTube titles. A strong prompt adds structure. Generate 10 beginner-friendly YouTube titles about machine learning. Make them short, clear, and non-intimidating. Avoid clickbait. Now the model understands what the topic is, who the audience is, what tone to use, and what to avoid. You are just being specific with language. This is prompt engineering in practice. Let us walk through a concrete example. Say your video is about supervised learning. Your prompt could be generate 8 YouTube video titles explaining supervised learning to complete beginners. Titles should be under 60 characters and sound friendly, not academic. I'll also post this prompt in the video description so you can use as a template. The model might return things like supervised learning explained simply, how AI learns with examples, supervised learning for absolute beginners. You can now pick one, tweak it, or combine ideas. This alone can save you a huge amount of time. Why this is powerful? This matters because consistency matters on YouTube. When title creation becomes easier, you post more often. When friction goes down, creativity goes up. You are no longer stuck thinking, what should I title this? You are instead choosing from good options. That shift alone makes content creation feel better. So that is how you can use OpenAI to generate YouTube video titles. Start simple, use clear prompts, let the AI assist, not replace your thinking. If you found this useful, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.